Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the most delicious and quick to make recipe of chicken pasta salad. It's a perfect blend of flavors and ingredients that you can make in under 20 minutes. It can be served as a side dish or as a meal. And I hope you'll find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make chicken pasta salad. I'm using 250 grams of elbow pasta. You could use any pasta which you have at home. First, let's boil some pasta. To the water, I'm adding some salt and olive oil. Oil will prevent the pasta from sticking. Add the pasta and give it a nice mix. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Cook pasta according to the instructions given on the box. Pasta is done. I'm going to drain out this water and I'm going to rinse it with cold water. We are going to add some chicken to the pasta. For that I have taken 2 chicken breasts and I'm going to lightly season it with some salt and pepper. To fry the chicken, add a tablespoon of oil. Fry the chicken for about 3 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Chicken is done, nice and golden. Now remove it from the pan. Once it's cooled down completely, let's cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now for the sauce, I'm adding a cup of Greek yogurt. To the yogurt, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of hot chili sauce. Combine these two ingredients well and set aside. Now let's put everything together in a large mixing bowl. I'm adding boiled pasta. To this I'm adding some onion, sweet corn, coriander leaves, lemon zest and jalapeno pepper. The great thing about making your own salad is that you can put in whatever you like. Let's mix all these ingredients really well. Let's add the spice powder like pepper powder, paprika, garlic powder and salt. Adjust the seasoning according to your preference. Now I'm adding the fried chicken. Add the yogurt chili sauce. Again mix everything until well combined. Finally, I'm adding juice of half a lemon and 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. You can store the leftover salad in an airtight storage container in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Let's pack the lunch box. Quick to make chicken pasta salad. It's healthy and flavorful. If you like this recipe, do share it with your family and friends. And also share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.